how to set up custom audio or MP3 song as a notification sound on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then we swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the Samsung folder. Next, tap on My Files. This is the file manager on your device. In here, I'm going to go back to the home page for the file manager. And then we go down and we go to the folder where it has your MP3 songs. Depending on what you use, if you use the internet browser to download songs, then it is likely in the download folder. If you copy from a computer to your device, then it could be in a music folder perhaps. So you want to go to the folder that has your MP3 song, or you can tap on audio up here. It will list all the available audios on your device. So in this video, I'm going to go into internal storage and then tap on download. Here in download, I have download an MP3 song file. So you can touch and hold into that file and select that. And then at the bottom, we tap on copy. And here is a copy here or cancel. So we don't use this at all for now. We're going to go to the top and tap on internal storage. Then we go down and we want to copy it to a folder called notifications. Okay, so if you do not see the folder, maybe it is hidden. So you want to look around in here. Some of the options you see, make sure it shows all the folder. So we want to go down and tap on notifications. If that folder is not there, you can tap on the create folder button to create a folder, and you want to name it as notifications. Okay, so we go into that folder and then tap on copy here. Okay, so that file has now been copied to the folder. Then we go back. Okay, so we go back into the notifications folder and make sure that song is there. After that, we now go back to the home screen and swipe down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, we go down and tap on sounds and vibration. From here, tap on notification sound. And in here, if you go all the way to the top in the custom section, you can now use your custom sound or custom MP3 song as a notification sound. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.